Hello everyone, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI and Schogini Systems. Today we are going to clear one of the biggest confusions in tech careers. Should you focus on becoming an AI engineer or an ML engineer in 2026? That is, artificial intelligence engineer or machine learning engineer in year 2026. This decision can change your income, your opportunities, your entire future. Let's break it down with clarity and actual sample code. As we stand in December 2025, the AI world is exploding faster than any industry we have seen in decades. 2026 is going to be the defining year for those who choose their path wisely, not randomly, not because hype, but with clarity. This presentation will give you that clarity. By the end, you will confidently know which path matches your strengths, your background, your dream lifestyle. Let's start with AI engineer. This role is booming because almost every company now wants to integrate AI into products. An AI engineer focuses on using existing models like Whisper, GPT, Llama, Gemini, Stable Diffusion, and building actual applications with them. Think of it this way: you don't need to reinvent the airplane. Your job is to fly it safely, take passengers where they need to go. AI engineers work with APIs, cloud systems, Docker, Fast API, glue different AI components together, deploy AI into real world apps, math minimal, programming and system design maximum. This is extremely accessible, especially for software developers who want to ride the AI wave. Now, the ML engineer. This is a different world, fascinating, powerful, but mathematically demanding. ML engineers train models from scratch, tune hyperparameters, understand calculus, probability, statistics, build training pipelines, optimize laws, gradients, and architectures. This path is far more competitive and usually requires stronger academic foundations. Think of them as engineers designing the airplane's engine, not the pilot flying it. Let's quickly see some demo scripts. First, AI engineer, voice transcript summary using Whisper LLMs. To make this real and practical, here is what an AI engineer actually does. We take a piece of audio and run it through Whisper to get a transcript and feed it into a summarizing LLM. The whole thing takes under 30 lines of Python. This is an ideal example of an AI engineering. Choosing the right model, integrating, and delivering a feature that works. Zero mathematics, maximum product value. So here I have the transcriber script. So here we run this passing an audio file path in the command line. And this will transcribe using the Whisper model and return the text. So here we are using OpenAI Whisper-Tiny. That is it. This tiny script can read audio and transcribe the text. Then we have another small script, Summarizers. What this will do is it'll take the text that has been transcribed by the audio and it'll give you a summary. And here we are using a tiny free summarizer model. But you can use more sophisticated models. So it's up to you to use the model that you want. And this will summarize, and then we can combine this into a fast API endpoint backend application. So you can use HTTP post method to transcribe and summarize this endpoint and get the summary of the audio. And that is a quick demo of what an AI engineer is expected to do, but there are many more applications, including building your own AI chatbot, etc. And AI-based automation. We at Schogini, we specialize in building AI chatbots and AI automations. Now let's flip to ML engineering. Here we generate synthetic data, implement logistic regression ourselves, write sigmoid function, manually compute gradients, update weights using gradient descent, visualize the decision boundary. This is the world of math, visualization, optimization, and research-oriented thinking. Not everyone enjoys this, but those who do thrive here. Let's see a sample code. So here, generate and train a logistic regression. We have defined certain function like sigmoid function, binary cross entropy function, and the training loop for logistic regression. Okay, and accuracy function. So all these are part of the machine learning engineer. So finally, the train model weights are saved. Okay, and here we have another script that plots the decision boundaries of the logistic regression. So visually, this gives a state of your model's training. This is by a machine learning engineer. So coming back to AI engineers orchestrate. They combine APIs, models, and systems to create beautiful experiences. And ML engineers model. They go deep into loss functions, gradients, theory, and model internals. Both paths are immensely valuable, but each requires a completely different mindset. So the skill stack for AI engineer, an AI engineer focuses on calling the right AI model, scaling it using Docker and Kubernetes, fast API, monitoring logs, handling files, user input and APIs, ensuring latency, uptime, and reliability, pushing AI into real apps. So if you come from a software or automation background, this path is not only accessible, it's fast growing. Skill stack for an ML engineer, probability, calculus, optimization, Python libraries like PyTorch, metrics. ML engineers skill stack can include probability distributions, calculus, optimization theory, building models in PyTorch, evaluating accuracy, precision, recall, understanding loss surfaces, knowing why a model behaves the way it does. This path rewards lovers of math and research. One thing is absolutely certain: no matter how powerful models become, companies will always need people who know how to integrate and ship AI into real world applications. The world is full of brilliant models, but very few people who can turn them into a product. In 2026, AI engineers will be among the most sought after professionals. So here is the simple summary you have been waiting for. Choose AI engineer if you enjoy software development, shipping features, and building real applications quickly. Choose ML engineer if you love math, research, and model internals. Both are valuable, but only one will match your personality, your experience, and your long-term goals. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, if you feel confused about which path to choose for 2026 or want personalized mentorship, we at Schogini Systems offer one-on-one private mentoring to help you navigate your career and repurpose your skills. Just visit shogini.com/mentor expert. Your feedback is invaluable, so please share your suggestions in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so it can help others choose the right path. 2026 is full of opportunities. Choose wisely, act boldly, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Apply these tips and level up today. Smash like if it helped. Subscribe to TechieTalksAI for deep dive and drop your biggest challenge in comments. Ready for personalized one-to-one Zoom sessions? I mentor just few students on cloud, coding, DevOps, no-code solution, AI agents, or electronics, tailored to your goals. Limited slots. Book via the link in the description before it's gone. See you in the next video.